underhand weave on the right, and open it up, sweep over the top, double stall through the leg, sweep over the top, chase the sun clockwise, and come down and overhand on the right, sweep back, step your right foot forward, sweep over away from me, step your right foot forward, sweep back, step your right foot forward, sweep over away from me. So we did two 360s that'll look like this if you did them at speed. Step, turn, right? So that was 2 sweep, circle, turnarounds. So let's do that again a little slower. Right foot forward and sweep back, step right, sweep over, step right, sweep back, step right, sweep over, step right again, overhand weave on the right. And let's just do a quick giant, back to the weave, turn left to underhand weave, quick giant, back to the weave, and sweep over the top, double stall through the legs, sweep over the top, overhand weave on the left, quick giant, back to the weave, turn right to underhand, quick giant, back to the weave, and turn back to overhand, and quick giant, and back to the weave, turn right to underhand, quick giant, back to the weave, turn left to counterclockwise pinwheel, bring it down into the corkscrew, tap, up, around, down, and tap, up, around, down, and tap, up, around, down, and tap. Now bring it up into the counterclockwise corkscrew from the pinwheel, bring it up. Now we're going to lift our left leg, tap on the bottom of it, come into overhand, butterfly on the front, butterfly turn around to the right. So right takeout, underhand butterfly on the back, right takeout, overhand butterfly on the front, left takeout, turn, underhand butterfly in the back, left takeout, turn, overhand butterfly on the front, thread the needle, and right takeout, left takeout, right takeout, left takeout. Now we're going up, right up, left up, right up, left up. Okay, now back it up, right out to the side, left out to the side, right out to the side, left out to the side, and now going up, moving forward, right up, left up, right up, left up, repeat, and right out and back, left out and back, right out and back, left out and back, right up, move forward, left up, move forward, right up, move forward, left up, move forward, thread the needle, and butterfly turn around to the left, and to underhand butterfly on the back, and back to overhand butterfly on the front, right out, left out, double stall out, hip reel, and come to underhand butterfly, left out, hold it there, turning left, stall your left hand back into underhand weave, turn right to clockwise pinwheel, turn right to overhand weave, step your left foot forward, turn right to underhand weave, turn left to overhand weave, turn right to counterclockwise pinwheel, so turn away from me to counterclockwise pinwheel, turn right to underhand weave, step your left foot forward, turn right to clockwise pinwheel, make it big 3 times, 1 and 2 and 3, and now giant, turn around, boom, 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 and turn right to overhand weave. We'll work on that one too. And open it up, stall your right poi between the leg, come to overhand butterfly, left takeout, turn left, underhand butterfly, face away from me, left takeout, turn left, overhand butterfly, overhand opposite pinwheel, bring it down to the hip. This one was the tough one last time. Go back up to the head, and bring it down to the hip again. Come into the overhand butterfly, thread the needle, thread the needle, thread the needle. Still threading, just to practice. And then back to the butterfly. We're going to turn right, stall left, underhand weave on the right side, giant, swivel to overhand on the left, swivel to overhand on the right, swivel to overhand on the left, swivel to overhand on the right, come into underhand weave on the right, turn left to counterclockwise pinwheel, turn left to overhand weave, and whoosh!